The 7.1L OXO Tot stand-up bath toy bin with removable base is perfectly sized to fit all of baby's bath toys. Unique hole pattern for quick and efficient drying. Elevated tray helps catch any stray drips. Soft handles for scooping up toys from the tub. Non-slip, sturdy base keeps the bin upright, base and bin separate for thorough cleaning. Dishwasher safe. PVC and adhesive-free. Top reviews from the United States. Love this. Bought this so toys weren't just laying on the sides of the tub. I love this thing. The toys can go from the tub into this and then you can dump the bottom after they are dried. Bonus is he can transport from one bathroom to another when needed. Oh, and I was worried how much it would hold, and it is a lot bigger than I thought it would be from seeing pictures.